My truck's name is Daddy. Your dad or your daddy takes care of you, makes sure you're safe, makes sure you got somewhere to live, money. That's the whole purpose. My truck takes care of me, I take care of him. It's a great partnership. I am the Truckin Unicorn on social media. My name is Mel. Everybody just calls me the Truckin Unicorn. This is my 2003 379 Peterbilt. I do run a 99 6NZ motor. I bought the truck a year and a half ago. The whole plan was to get the drivetrain good, get the truck running down the road. Because if it looks good on the outside, but it doesn't run down the road, it's a really pretty expensive lawn ornament that's not making you any money. So I have literally done almost the entire drivetrain on the truck. We rebuilt the motor in December, out of frame, new block, platinum rebuild. I've done leaf springs, shackle hanger bushings, kingpins, re-sleeved the axle, put a new power divider in it, new rear hangers and bushings. Kind of done it all. So the drivetrain is good. The next step is to start working on the outside. I've recently just put a new visor, new 7-inch straight pipes on him. We are gonna get him painted. He's gonna be a holographic white, and then we'll move to the interior and do that.